Making money on Facebook in Kenya has become one of the most realistic ways for ordinary people to earn an income without needing a big office, expensive machines, or large capital. Many young people, students, employed workers, and even small business owners are now using Facebook as a tool to grow their income step by step. The good thing is that you do not need to be famous to start. You only need a clear plan, patience, and the willingness to learn and improve every day. In Kenya today, internet access has grown fast. Many people use smartphones, and mobile data bundles are more affordable than before. This has made Facebook one of the most active platforms in the country. People use it to connect with friends, watch videos, follow news, and discover products. Because of this, Facebook has become a powerful marketplace and a place where attention can be turned into money. If you understand how people behave online and what they need, you can use Facebook to earn from them in a genuine way. To begin with, you need to understand that making money on Facebook is not instant. It is not like a quick job where you are paid at the end of the day. It is more like building a small farm. You plant seeds, you water them, and after some time you start to harvest. In this case, your seeds are your posts, your videos, your ideas, and your engagement with people. The more effort you put in, the better your results will be over time. One of the most common ways to monetize Facebook in Kenya is through content creation. This means you create videos, posts, or stories that people enjoy, learn from, or relate to. For example, you can share business tips, farming advice, motivational content, comedy, or daily life experiences. When people start liking, sharing, and commenting on your content, your audience grows. As your audience grows, Facebook may allow you to earn money through features like ads in your videos or stars from your followers. However, you should not focus only on money at the beginning. Focus on giving value. If you teach something useful, entertain people, or solve problems, they will keep coming back. Over time, your page or profile becomes strong. Once you reach a good number of followers and engagement, you can apply for monetization features. In Kenya, many creators are now earning from Facebook videos, especially those who post regularly and understand what their audience wants. Another powerful method is selling products through Facebook. Many Kenyans are already doing this successfully. You can sell clothes, shoes, electronics, beauty products, or even farm produce. You do not need a physical shop to start. You can take clear photos of your products, write simple descriptions, and post them on your Facebook page, your profile, or in groups where people are interested in buying. If you do not have products, you can still sell using a method called reselling. In this case, you find suppliers who have products, then you market those products on Facebook. When someone places an order, you connect them with the supplier and earn a profit. For example, you can buy an item at 2,000 Kenya shillings and sell it at 3,000 Kenya shillings, making 1,000 Kenya shillings profit. With time, if you make many sales in a day, your income can grow steadily. Facebook Marketplace is also a useful tool for selling. It allows you to list items for sale and reach people near your location. Many buyers in Kenya search for items on Marketplace because it is easy and fast. If you price your products well and respond quickly to customers, you can make good sales daily. Some people are making between 1,000 Kenya shillings and 10,000 Kenya shillings per day, depending on what they sell and how active they are. Apart from selling products, you can also sell services. If you have a skill, Facebook can help you find clients. For example, if you are good at graphic design, writing, video editing, photography, or social media management, you can promote your services on Facebook. You can post samples of your work, share testimonials from clients, and explain how you can help people. Over time, people will start trusting you and reaching out for your services. For instance, a beginner offering social media management in Kenya can charge between 5,000 Kenya shillings and 15,000 Kenya shillings per month per client. As you gain experience and results, you can increase your charges to 20,000 Kenya shillings or more. The key is to start small, deliver quality work, and build your reputation. Another way to monetize Facebook is through affiliate marketing. This means you promote products from other companies and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. In Kenya, platforms like online shops and international marketplaces offer affiliate programs. You can share product links on your Facebook page or groups. When people trust your recommendations and make purchases, you earn a percentage of the sale. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to be honest. Do not promote products that you do not understand or that are of poor quality. People value trust, and once they lose trust in you, it is hard to regain it. It is better to recommend fewer products that are good than many products that disappoint buyers. As your Facebook presence grows, you may also start getting brand deals. This is where companies pay you to promote their products or services. For example, a clothing brand may pay you to wear their outfits and post photos, or a business may pay you to talk about their services. The amount you earn depends on your audience size and engagement. Some Kenyan influencers earn from a few thousand Kenya shillings to over 100,000 Kenya shillings per post. However, you should not chase brand deals too early. Focus on building your audience first. Brands are more interested in people who have strong engagement, not just many followers. If your followers trust you and interact with your content, brands will see value in working with you. Facebook groups also offer a good opportunity to make money. You can create a group around a specific topic, such as business ideas, farming, health, or education. As the group grows, you can monetize it by offering premium content, promoting your products, or partnering with businesses. Some group owners charge membership fees for exclusive content, while others use the group to drive traffic to their services. Consistency is very important in all these methods. Many people fail because they start strong but stop after a short time. Building income on Facebook requires regular effort. You need to post often, respond to messages, and keep learning what works best. Even if you do not see results immediately, do not give up. Growth takes time, but it is worth it. It is also important to avoid common mistakes. One big mistake is buying fake followers. These followers do not engage with your content, and they can harm your account. Another mistake is spamming links without providing value. People do not like being sold to all the time. Instead, focus on helping, educating, or entertaining them, and they will be more open to buying from you. You should also follow Facebook rules and policies. If you break the rules, your account can be restricted or even closed. This can destroy your efforts, especially if you have spent a long time building your audience. Always ensure that your content is genuine, respectful, and within the guidelines. Another important factor is understanding your audience. If your audience is made up of young people, your content should match their interests. If your audience is business people, your content should be more professional and informative. When you understand who you are talking to, it becomes easier to create content that connects with them. In Kenya, mobile money services like M-Pesa make it easier to receive payments from customers. When selling products or services on Facebook, you can ask customers to pay through mobile money. This makes transactions simple and fast. You can also use delivery services such as Boda Boda riders to send products to customers in different locations. Over time, as your Facebook income grows, you can reinvest your earnings to expand your business. For example, if you start with a small stock of products, you can use your profits to buy more stock. If you are a content creator, you can invest in better equipment such as a good camera or lighting. This helps you improve quality and attract more people. It is also wise to treat your Facebook activity like a real business. Keep records of your income and expenses. Plan your content in advance. Set goals for growth. When you take it seriously, you increase your chances of success. In conclusion, monetizing Facebook in Kenya is a real and achievable opportunity for anyone willing to learn and stay consistent. Whether you choose content creation, selling products, offering services, affiliate marketing, or brand partnerships, the key is to start, stay focused, and keep improving. The journey may not be easy at the beginning, but with time and effort, Facebook can become a steady and reliable source of income in your life.